Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cassandra's Plants. Today I've got another unboxing video from an order from Online Baby Plants. Now I know that this is quite a popular website, so I thought I'd give it a go as I wanted to expand my Calathea and Syngonium collection, and they had some really good little baby ones on there for between £3 and £4 each, maybe up to £4.99, but they were a steal for what they are, and I'm hoping that the quality is as good as they looked on the website. So I haven't opened anything, literally just undone the box, so let's have a look. Now it seems really nicely packed, which is great. I did have a plant turn up yesterday that was literally a plant in a box in a pot, and obviously the box was soaking wet and the plant was tipped upside down inside out. So I do love seeing perfectly packaged plants, especially stuff that can be recycled like these little air pockets, which is awesome. So I think Online Baby Plants is like a part of plants.com or plants.com. And they're actually based in the Netherlands, so I'm pleased about this. So there's a little insert around how to look after the plants, how to take care of them, what you should do straight away when you get them, which is great. Also 30-day guarantee, which I know most, if I can get it to unblur, most companies don't do on plants because they're perishable and it's sort of at buyer's risk. So that's a really cool thing that they do. So I'm just going to pop that over there. So these little plastic things that they send plants in are amazing. They work so well, and I can't sing their praises enough. So let's have a look as to what we've got. Now I'm going to have to try and remember what I've ordered, because I'm not 100% sure, but we'll give it a go. I was hoping there was some sort of packing slip, but I can't see one. Let me get all this bubble out. Have a quick look. No, there doesn't seem to be one, but that's okay. So let's open this little flat pack. Now, most of these are going to be Calatheas or Syngoniums. I think there might be a little Stromanthia in there somewhere, and a couple of philodendrons. So this one I know is and I'm not going to take the plugs out because they're quite nicely packed in there. This is I'm just going to zoom out a bit. There we go. Right, so this one is a Calathea orbifolia. Beautiful little baby plant to go for my Calathea collection, and I've seen these grow humongous, which is awesome. So that's the first one. This one is a Calathea dotty, a Rosa Picta. I've got the medallion version, but I don't have the dotty. So this is awesome. Look at those colours. I love Calatheas. They're one of my most favourite plants in the whole world, just because the colour of the foliage. I mean, I don't know many other plant varieties that you can get, maybe other than Chaloscantias, that you can get something that purple. And this little one down here, I can just stand it up a little bit, I think is my philodendron lemon lime. Oh, look at that. How cute is that little one? Wow. And as you'll know from my other videos, philodendrons are my other favourite plants. So we're off to a good start. So I'm just gonna shut this one up before I make a huge mess and damage this beautiful leaf. I don't want to. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Put it down on the floor. Right, what else have we got? Now, some bigger ones. They're all baby plants. I just think the plugs are slightly different sizes to what they got. So I think okay, so these ones are This is a philodendron celerum gold. I think that's how it's pronounced. And it's pretty big. I almost got this confused with the lemon lime, but it's definitely the celerum gold. And look at the roots on that. That is a very happy baby plant. And some awesome foliage. And this one, now I only ordered one of these, so I think I've got one as an extra, which is why I was getting a bit confused, is another philodendron Xanadu. So they're definitely the same plant. So I think they've sent me an extra one, which is pretty awesome. We always have an extra plant. So I'll just pop these down there. Now, finally, what I'm the most excited about is these syngoniums in here. So I'm trying to do this carefully. So we've got 2 syngoniums and a Calathea. So this one is the Calathea. Trying to remember how to pronounce it. So this is the Calathea Macayana. Yeah, Macayana. Macayana, I think that's how it's pronounced. Another Calathea. Now I haven't got this one. And this, look at the, it's almost like it's been drawn on in pen, which I think is a bit crazy. But the leaves on this are awesome. And again, I don't have this Calathea. And these ones are actually in pots. So they're a tiny bit more established. Then this one is the, oh, let's try and get it out. Syngonium Mango Illusion, or Allusion. And this is quite a big syngonium compared to my other two. I've got a white butterfly and a neon robusta, and they've both come a lot smaller than this, considering this is a baby plant, so I'm surprised. The colouring on this is amazing. Look at these, the red veining in the leaves is pretty awesome. And let's have a look at this one. Get it out carefully. Now this one is a Syngonium Maria Illusion. I think this is also known as a chocolate one. You can see why, because of the dark colours. But wow, look at the difference in the leaves. That one's almost red. You've got dark greens, oranges. I think Syngoniums are fast becoming one of my favourite types of plants. So there you go. I definitely ordered, so that's 369 plants. I definitely ordered 8. So I think the extra philodendron Xanadu is awesome. So that's those 3. Pop them down there. And then I've got these. So now these are all terracotta pots, I hope. And I think I got all the same size, and I think I got 8. So let's try and do this carefully in case there's some other mystery edition they've given me in here that I'm not sure about. Let's have a look. It's very well packaged. So it's in bubble wrap inside this heavy duty cardboard. See if I can pull it out. Oh, so there's 2 in there, so we'll just do 1. I think they've done them as like individual little parcels. Try and save some of this bubble wrap, because I do like to recycle packaging if I can. Get there in a minute. Definitely can't moan about how well things are packaged from these guys. Wow, look at all this bubble wrap. Bear with me. Right, finally. here we go. Two beautiful. Now, does it say what size these are? Because I completely forgot which size I ordered. No, I think these are 11cm ones. Got a nice hole in the bottom for a bit of drainage. And I never used to use terracotta pots for plants, but I'm fast thinking that these are I'm almost converting all of my plants to terracotta. And these were really cheap as well. So I've got 8 of these, ideally to put all these plants in, but they might be a little bit too big for the plug. So I might wait maybe a week or so, maybe a bit more, just for them to get acclimatized and a bit more established. But there are the terracotta pots, and they're awesome. So that's that. I would highly recommend baby plants online, or online baby plants even, just for the packaging, care instructions, and the quality of the plants. They're all amazing quality, and obviously, who doesn't like a freebie? Now, I've heard that they do give away freebies, and that they send out freebie ones before, but I wasn't expecting one. They never mentioned it. I never saw it in any of the emails or anything. So yeah, good stuff. Go and have a look, and see if you can find any discount codes, and yeah, do some plant shopping. So as always, if you like my videos and you're interested in seeing more plant hauls and plant collections, give us a subscribe, a thumbs up and a like, and I'll see you all again next time.